YouTube, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another food review. We're back with another seasonal item, and today we have the Kit Kat gingerbread cookie with wafers with gingerbread flavored cream. Of course, this right here is a Christmas themed holiday season limited edition flavor, which will only be out around Christmas time. I believe these come out every year. I'm not 100% sure if I did a review on the channel yet. I don't know. Maybe I did. I'm just not remembering. But anyway, we're gonna get right into it. Okay. They're minis, basically like one little Kit Kat. I can see what they look like coming out of the bag. So anyway, let's get right into this gingerbread cookie. This one I already opened. Oh, this one right here. Now, like I said, I don't know if I tried these. I don't know if I did these on the channel yet. I'm not 100% certain. I don't know if I did these on the channel yet, but if I have, then this is gonna be a re-review of these. So this is what it look like. Nice chocolatey, not chocolate, more of a caramel cream color, caramel cream wafer type color. But let's go ahead and try it, man. Let's get right into this. Definitely tastes like gingerbread. Definitely got gingerbread taste to it. Try one more. Kit Kat gingerbread cookie. I'm gonna give this one a solid 8 out of 10, man. I don't think it's so small, but it's still good. That still works. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. It's really good. Highly recommend it. I definitely recommend it. But yeah, 8 out of 10. It's pretty good, man. Anyway, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Keep watching videos. More food reviews on the way. More holiday reviews on the way. More reviews on the way. Till next time, guys. Peace.